YouTube, how to buy YouTube from Apple gift cards. So let's get started. For this purpose, open the App Store in your mobile phone and then scroll down to get this option that says redeem gift card or code. Tap on this option, you will be redirected to this page that says redeem your gift card by using your camera. You can also enter the code manually. Once done, your funds will be transferred to the Apple gift card. Now open YouTube and press on the profile icon. You will be redirected to this profile. From here, scroll down and select the option that says get YouTube Premium. Now you have an option to get YouTube Premium by buying subscription. You can use it for 1 month as free option, but after that you have to pay for the subscription. Now you can automatically use your redeemed card option here in payment method, and that's how you can buy YouTube with Apple gift card.